done steak is supposed to look like. All right, now I'm burning the kitchen up. Take that off, turn the stove off. And this is the important part. How well do these clean? So you just, woo, that is intense. So I always like to run the water in it first to get that, the first part out. Then I'll do some soap with a brush. And after cooking 2 steaks, you can see there's nothing in there anymore. This is truly non-stick. All right, so that's everything that came off. Let's go ahead and rinse it out. Still see a little bit in there, but what I normally do for that is do one more thing, and I use this. This, in our place, it's like a match made in heaven. And anything that won't come out now, honestly, you can probably scrape it out. So that means it's really stubborn. That's the only thing I don't like about these pans. That gets extremely hot. Oh my gosh, that just almost burned me. And this pan is kind of hot, so not hot, but heavy, I meant to say. So I got to use 2 hands. But there we go. We are officially clean. It's about 2 minutes of cleaning. And I normally like to dry my pans after I finish cooking. Unlike my wife. Yeah. And that is beautiful.